Hi, David here, and welcome. Today we're going to make postcards, not just one postcard, we're going to make 16 postcards that you're going to be able to send out to your loved ones at this time when you can't be with them, but you want to make something for them. And it's really nice, real special to get something in the post. So we're going to make 16 cards. You're going to use an A2 sheet and they're going to be divided up. We're going to cut them up. So we're going to make one real big special painting and it's going to be divided up. So your materials are one large sheet, A2 sheet of paper, masking tape, the primary colours, and if you have white as well, it can be cool. You're going to use a brush, like a 1-inch brush that you use for painting the house. But if you have a smaller brush, it's okay, but a nice kind of, a big enough brush works really well for this, you'll see. And if we also have like a plastic knife, you can do some scratching. And then we're going to also need scissors to cut it up at the end. So yeah, it's a really cool piece. I think you're going to have great fun doing it, and I think your friends and family will get something real special out of it when you're sending it to them at this time. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing, now you've got all your materials ready, we're going to go around the border, and I'm just going to do half on the paper, half off the paper. So we'll go all around the edges first. And you need to use masking tape. You can't use sellotape for this because it will stick to the paper when you're taking it off. So you need to use masking tape for this. So that's the last thing. You want to pat them all down, make sure they're nice and flat. And then we're going to start getting our paint in. And like I said earlier, the paintbrush, I've got like a 1-inch, it's like something you paint your skirting boards with at home. You want to use that. Something nice and big. We're going to go walking around with different colours and crisscross. We'll put out all our primary colours first. So some yellow, some red, and blue. So your primary colours. And we'll put a bit of white to the side as well. Alright, so you got all your colours out. Bit of white in there, it's alright. Mix it up, your yellow, onto your brush, and then you want to start going for a walk around. Let it run out. Don't worry about getting more out of it yet. Just let it run out. Because we're not going to use water here. Now next we're going to get our next primary. We're going to get red. Start down this corner. You can let that run out too. Maybe run back over it. Look. Make sure it's all gone. Then we're going to get blue. I'm just getting not tons on it, but a good bit. I'm going to go up here, start here. Almost like a racetrack. Just starting to mix a little bit as well now, it's nice. It's quite pale over there. And you get some red. I've also got glue stick here I might use. We can use glue stick just to scratch away a bit if you want. If you don't have a glue stick, you could use like a plastic knife. It'd be kind of nice. And if you're not fond of that, you can just go over it. So always good to try it. Now I might mix the colour, make a colour up. I might make a bit of green. So get some yellow and blue. Nice deep green. Strokes to it, you know. We can add dots. Backs of brushes. Something different going on. You can go flat like that, look, see. And remember, we're going to cut all these up, so it doesn't need to look all the same, or they're all going to be different pieces. I think when you get lots of these lines, it can look more interesting. So one half I'm going to do this, and the other half I'm just going to leave that. Alright. Okay, so this is the fun part. We're going to start taking up our tape. So you want to be careful not to pull on it where there's another. See the way there's tape there going to come up. So I'm going to go across this bit first. So across the middle, whatever your last tape you put down. Now you can take bits of paper up. It will come up a little bit, but just do your best. And don't worry if a little bit of paper is tearing or anything. Look, it all kind of adds to it. You can see there's bits of paper coming up. It's fine. It's going to happen a little bit. So you can see you're getting all your cards here with this. Now the edges will come off a lot easier. All our edges off, taped all off. Now all we're going to do is cut it up. So we get our scissors. Now if you had a cutting mat and a blade like your parents had or something like that, you can use. I'm just going to use scissors. And pop that in an envelope. So in the back, you're just going to put a line down here. We'll write our address, put a stamp up there, write your note, and that's it. You've all your postcards. So you've got a bit of cutting up to do, then you have lots of lovely postcards to send off to your friends and family.